Today I'm going to be reviewing UFlex Athletics Compression Knee Brace. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I already love it. All right, so I put it on and I have a lot of knee pain in my right knee. I run, sometimes I run indoors. It just hurts when I rest. So with knee pain, especially after you're done running, this is the type of thing that can help during, but also afterwards, just to keep everything good. So it's just my right knee. Luckily, knock on wood, I don't have any issues with my left knee, but with running, weightlifting, arthritis, if you're hiking, recovery support, this is perfect to wear. What I like about it is inside, and a lot of companies are starting to do this. You'll see this like non-slip band up here. Very important. Otherwise, these things are moving all over the place. It also has the targeted compression zones, the four-way stretch. It is a breathable material. And to clean this, just use cold water, mild soap, but you're going to want to let this air dry. You do not throw this in the washer and dryer. It does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.4 stars. It has over 28,000 reviews. And last month, of just this color and size, 400 plus were bought. Make sure that you measure this properly, so when you get it, it's going to fit and it's not going to slip down. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.